Hi, Crafty Angels, and Esther here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with a DESTASH sale with stamps. So I'm going to go through these, and if you would like them, you can email me at vanessabork2@gmail.com. I will put that somewhere here in the video. Okay, so first off, we have this Tim Holtz stamp set. Okay, then I'm going to go through these as I see. Okay, I'm going to remove these out of the way. I'm going to go through these first. This one, which is the little notepad here. So this one's a notepad. This one is all of these together. You can't see them, that's why I have them stamped this way. I don't want to open them because I don't want to have to pull them apart. You got this one, and they're all in CD cases. This one with the little envelope there and a mirror and lipstick. You got what they call these sentiments. We have this stamp. It's like a beehive type stamp with little circles all over. Then we have this one with the airplane, the little car, the suitcase, the sun, and the word vacation. Okay. And then we have the mason jar. We have the sun, happy birthday, and the compass. And this all right here will be $5 plus your shipping. So if you would like this, you can email me at vanessabork2.com, and this will be lot number 1. Let me find a piece of paper and something to write with. And here's lot number 1. Okay, I'm going to put this inside the bag with everything. And if you like this one, just say lot number 1 when you email, like so. And then this is going to go right on top here. Okay, then we're going to move on to lot number 2. So we have lot number 1, and here's lot number 2. Okay, we have all of these stamps here. Sorry for all the crinkling, but that's the way it's got to go. We have this one that's just arrived. They're all gently used or still new. And some of them I bought and never even used. We have this one. You're invited. I'm going to put them back in here as I go. So it'll be easier for me. Then we have all of these, which I'm not taking all of them out, and this is what they all say. And here's how they are. Like I said, they either gently used or barely even used. Then we have this one. Okay. Then we have the Eiffel Tower. This one too will be $5. Okay. And that's all for this video. I'll put that in there like so. And we're going to seal this shut. So like I said, if you want this, please comment below what lot you want. And email me at VanessaBork, the number 2 at gmail.com. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Please be blessed. Be kind. Be crafty. Be safe. Be positive. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now. Sorry guys, I found another one, so I'm added to this video. Sorry for all the crinkling. And I'm going to try my best to go through all of them, but I can't guarantee. And like I said, they're gently used or not used at all. Number 1, we have the bird cage with a little bird. 2, we have a butterfly. Next one. The fleur-de-lis. This one says Happy Hanukkah. And I won't be breaking up any of these sets. They're sold as is. This is lot number 3. I need that one. And this one here has all of these. That is also going in here. Uh-oh. I'm going to have to change the bag here. This one says Happy Birthday. Let's see if I can find another bag to put these in. I might have to break them into 2 bags, but that's alright. They'll be sold as one. Okay. Let's switch the bag out now. So we got these here. Going in the bird cage. The Happy Hanukkah. The fleur-de-lis. Then we have the butterfly. The Friends Forever. And then what can we fit in here? We got another butterfly here. We have this one that says Handmade with Love. That's number 1. This is going to be lot number 3. So, oh man, it ripped the bag again. Snafu. Well, I'll fix that later. Then we have the happy birthday. We have thank you. We have made with Hero Arts. The doggy paw. Some of them were gently used. Some of them weren't. Thank you. And this one again, it says thank you. This one has 3 thank yous in here. Well, I'm going to keep one. I may need it. And this one has some script on it, and I can't read it. It's something, sell it with you and celebrating another year of love. I don't know what the first word is. Let me see. I don't know. Thinking of you? No, it's not that. And we got another paw. And this one is thanks for touching my life with your special friendship. We have a handmade with love by. This is mine. I had that design. And this one's mine too, with Mickey. Okay, so we have all of these. And this is lot number 3. And it will go for $5. Okay. There we go. So thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit the red subscribe button and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Thank you all for watching. Please be blessed, be kind, be crafty, be safe. And be positive. Be positive, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.